Are you tired of lackluster blenders that struggle with ice, leave chunks in your smoothies, or disrupt your kitchen's peace with ear-splitting noise? The Chefman Obliterator 48-ounce countertop blender is here to revolutionize your blending experience. With a 1380 watts motor, sleek design, and innovative features like the auto blend function, this blender is a game-changer for home chefs, smoothie enthusiasts, and anyone craving professional-grade results. In this in-depth review, we'll explore why this blender is a must-have, diving into its features, benefits, and why it's perfect for your kitchen. Ready to elevate your culinary creations? Let's blend in. Solving your kitchen struggles. Blending can be a hassle when your appliance can't keep up. Weak motors fail to crush ice, leaving you with gritty smoothies or uneven purees. Noisy blenders disrupt your mornings, and cleaning them feels like a chore. The Chefman Obliterator tackles these pain points head-on. Its ice-crushing power, quiet operation, and easy clean design make it the ultimate countertop companion. Whether you're whipping up a quick breakfast smoothie, creamy soup, or frozen cocktails, this blender delivers silky smooth results every time. Unpacking the Chefman Obliterator key features. The Chefman Obliterator isn't just a blender, it's a culinary powerhouse. Here's a detailed look at what makes it stand out. 1380 watts motor for ice-crushing power. This beast obliterates tough ingredients like ice, nuts, and frozen fruit with ease, ensuring smooth textures without chunks. Perfect for smoothies, nut butters, and crushed ice for cocktails. 48 ounces shatter-resistant Tritan jar. The high-capacity jar is durable, BPA-free, and handles both hot and cold ingredients. Blend soups or smoothies for the whole family without worrying about cracks or spills. Auto blend function. Say goodbye to guesswork. This intelligent feature analyzes ingredients and adjusts blending settings for optimal consistency, making it ideal for beginners and pros alike. Intuitive dial controls. With 5 blending speeds, a pulse option, and presets for ice crush, clean, and auto blend, you're in full control. LED alerts like fix jar or add liquid guide you for perfect results. Quiet operation with advanced airflow. Unlike noisy competitors, the Obliterator's airflow system keeps it cool and quiet, so you can blend early mornings or late nights without waking the house. Easy cleaning options. Choose the clean preset with soap and water or toss the accessories in the dishwasher. The blunt blade design ensures safe cleaning without compromising performance. Award-winning design. Sporting a 2024 Red Dot Design Award, its matte black or white finish adds elegance to any kitchen, blending form and function seamlessly. Accessories included. Comes with a 2-in-1 tamper/scraper tool and a BPA-free lid that doubles as a 1-ounce measuring cup, making blending and measuring a breeze. Trusted durability. UL approved with advanced safety features and a 5-year warranty. This blender is built to last. Benefits that transform your kitchen. Why choose the Chefman Obliterator? Here are the standout benefits. Versatile performance. From smoothies and soups to nut butters and crushed ice, this blender handles it all, making it a one-stop solution for diverse recipes. Time-saving convenience. The auto blend function and intuitive controls streamline your blending process, while easy cleaning saves you precious minutes. Stylish and durable. Its award-winning design elevates your kitchen's aesthetic, and the robust build ensures years of reliable use. Who's it for? The Chefman Obliterator is perfect for smoothie enthusiasts, health-conscious individuals crafting nutrient-packed smoothies with kale, frozen fruit, or nuts, home chefs, those experimenting with soups, sauces, or nut butters, needing a blender that handles hot and cold ingredients, families. The 48-ounce jar is ideal for batch blending, serving multiple portions for breakfast or gatherings. Design lovers. Anyone who values a sleek, modern appliance that complements their kitchen decor. Busy professionals. Quick, easy blending and cleaning fit seamlessly into a hectic lifestyle. Why choose the Chefman Obliterator? Unlike budget blenders that falter with tough ingredients or premium models that break the bank, the Chefman Obliterator strikes a perfect balance. Its powerful motor, intuitive features, and sleek design rival high-end brands like Vitamix or Ninja, but at a more accessible price point. The 5-year warranty adds peace of mind, making it a smart investment for any kitchen. Whether you're a smoothie novice or a culinary pro, this blender empowers you to create restaurant-quality results at home. Final thoughts. The Chefman Obliterator 48-ounce countertop blender is more than an appliance. It's a kitchen game-changer. Its 1380 watts motor, auto-blend technology, and award-winning design make it a standout choice for anyone seeking power, style, and convenience. From silky smoothies to creamy soups, it delivers consistent results with minimal effort. The easy clean features and durable build ensure it's a long-term partner in your culinary journey. Ready to transform your kitchen? Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and make the Chefman Obliterator yours today. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.